Hello and welcome to TaskBuddy. In this session we're going to show you how to load in some tasks and start using the system.
By now you'll have been sent a login, so let's get started. Once you log in, you'll be taken to your home page. Up the top there's a simple menu and the screen's divided into two sides, a company side showing company performance and your side showing how much you've done. All your lozenges are grey at the moment because you haven't entered in any tasks. We do that down here on the Edit My Tasks button. Okay, we've got here the Create New Task page, and under Current Tasks you can see all the goals and some explanation of what the company is trying to achieve. The first one we've got is referrals, and I know that I'm as guilty as any as not asking for referrals when I could do. So I'm going to create a new task, and the system wants to know which area of the business this relates to. So it's referrals, and I'm just going to say closing meeting. I have 3 or 4 closing meetings every month, and I'm sure I can ask for a referral in each of those. But I don't know where to stretch myself, so I'm just going to put in ask for 1 referral this month. It's the kind of thing I should be doing every single month, so I'll tick the box that says does the task repeat? Add task, and it comes in under my current tasks. So under referrals I can see I've got something to do on closing meetings. If I go back to my dashboard, I'll see that my page has changed because now one of my lozenges, the one under referrals, is red. I've put in my task, but I haven't yet done anything about it.
Okay, well I've filled in something for referrals, so I'm going to move on to the next goal, and that looks like profit. So I go Edit New Task, and I need to get some idea of what the business is looking for under the profit heading. And reading through the explanation, I can see it's about usability and chargeable time. So there's plenty I can do on that. So I click Create New Task, and the area is profit. And I'll put a quick title in to remind me of what this point's about. So I'll say I ensure I get 90% recovery. How am I going to do this? Well, what I actually need to do is discuss recovery and fees at the next client closing meeting. So I put in the task summary. This is not something that I'm likely to do every month, at least I don't think so right now. So I'm not going to call it a recurring task, I'll just save that task. This will appear in my dashboard under the profit heading, and if I click on dashboard, I can see how that appears in my dashboard. So on the right hand side I've got 2 red lozenges, and I can see the sliders ready for me to update them later on in the month. Easy. So you just keep going through and add the next task for the next goal until you've finished all 5 goals.